All you little niggas are small fry. Student of Elijah, I'm considered the most high. I just checked my future, and it told me to hold mine's King Arthur on these niggas conquering for a long time. It's okay, I'm living better. Umbrellas for rainy weather. Ask the Lord to be my witness. My enemies gave forgiveness. Ask the judge to knock some time. I forget my niggas acquitted. Ain't no playing in this game. I treat everything like a scrimmage. They saying that we made it half the time. I don't think I deserve it. Killing niggas whole mixtapes with just half of my verbiage. I'm so grounded and so fucking wordy. So every time a nigga speak, they jot it down like a pastor sermon. I told Damo nigga Pastor J, I treat these niggas like a spliff, like cock black and straight blast away. If I was you, I wouldn't like me either. I'm always under the influence, so they treat me like I'm Justin Bieber. Was always one of them niggas that you could never mess with. I beat the odds and I terminated niggas' projections. I'm only 40 seconds in, I just thought you should know it. About to go Kendrick Lamar, it's so hard to control it. I'm so sick of all these 8-week rappers. Ad-libs colder than my first week rappers. I reload the clip and then expose these rappers. More than 10 takes, I'll expose these rappers. So don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. One false move, then you lose your head. That's just my inner demons. This is for every given Sunday like I'm Willie Beeman. I'm a lyrical drug dealer, leave you niggas fiending. Leave you niggas fiending. Hey, hey, I bet that chopper make these pussy niggas dance to this. Yeah, make them dance to this. I bet that chopper make these pussy niggas dance to this. Yeah, make them dance to this. But it's okay because your absence from music wasn't ever concerning. These are confessions that I wrote from that Usher I'm burning. This is that 1738 shit, that 72 and 10, it ain't no guarding me shit. Hit and never call, don't bother me, bitch. I hit that bitch in the car and left her stalking me shit. That is, but I can make her dance to this. Yellow diamonds on a nigga like a glass of piss. Yeah, like a glass of piss. And all this tagging that they doing made me glad I'm it. Yeah, made me glad I'm it. I'm labeled as a nuisance for them niggas who think they can hang. This for my niggas locked down who been going through pain. With every sunshine it come with a whole lot of rain. And for you niggas beefing with me, that K got a cane. Yeah, that K got a cane. Dog barking off the leash like it came with a chain. Nigga, let's go. It was funny how they hated, now they screaming on happy belated. This for them times I had no heat, had to sleep in the basement. Since I was 5, I always knew I was destined for greatness. Around the time my teachers told me I never would make it. But ain't it funny a nigga is doing better? Address me a fucking king, but I'm round with Coretta. My path is so divine, all I'm missing is my Loretta. I'm finger fucking the Nino, I send it shots from Beretta. And make them dance to this. Make them dance to this. And I can make these pussy niggas really dance to this. Make them dance to this.